Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another gorgeous piece of Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Saleya and it is in size PM. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got this instantly recognisable damier ebene Louis Vuitton coated canvas, and then we have got double top handles in this smooth cowhide leather. We've got gorgeous gold toned hardware and a zip top closure, so I'll open that up and show you inside. So inside we've got one flat pocket here, one large flat pocket, and then we've got another little flat pocket as well. And we've got a super smooth red microfiber lining inside the bag as well. So for the condition of this Saleya, we have called it the exterior and the hardware we've called good, and I'll show you why. You can see that it's just got a little bit of creasing, and that shape is not quite as rigid perhaps as it originally was. And then we've got just a little bit of wear to the trim on these corners. You can see just on each corner there is a little bit of wear to each of those. And then on the handles, you can see for the most part it's lovely and shiny, that leather, but there is a couple of areas where it's just dulled a little bit, which is not very easy to see on camera, and you can see there's just a couple of marks, just like that one. So very, very minor signs of wear to the exterior. Overall it is in a lovely condition and it's still got that lovely shape. The hardware, again, you can see for the most part it's got that lovely gold tone still, and there is minimal kind of scratching and wear to that hardware. You can see just on this zip top closure, you can see that there is some fade into that gold tone, and it's started to dull and fade a little bit just there, so that's why we've called the hardware good. The interior we've called fair. There is a fair amount of wear and signs of wear to the inside. You can see that there's just kind of, I'll get it in a light so you can see it, pen marks and things like that, and a fair few stains on that microfiber lining. So that is why we've called the interior fair, just because for the amount of marks and pen marks like that on the interior, but other than that it's still super smooth in there, and there's no tears or anything like that. It's still perfectly usable, in a usable pre-loved condition on the interior, so that is why I've called the interior fair. This Saleya just comes with a Louis Vuitton dust bag to keep it protected while it's in the storage. We also have an authentication document from Authenticate for you. And for the size of this bag, again, it's in size PM, but if you wanted to know any exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Louis Vuitton on our website, armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. You guys love Louis Vuitton, so it sells so quickly. But what you can do is you can get on our request list. So it's really simple, it's easy to do. Just let us know that you love this bag, or it can be any bag that you have in mind. We'll pop you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in something like it, or this one exactly, we will let you know. We'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that is the request list. I will show you the measurements. I'll show you the size on me, for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and it just sits very comfortably and nicely in the hand like that, or you can pop it on your arm as well. And I think the size PM is really nice because it's big enough definitely to fit your essentials in, but small enough and comfortable enough that you can carry it around in your day-to-day, so it makes a very practical and easy to use day-to-day bag. So it's gorgeous, I really love it. If you wanted more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also while you're here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any other beautiful arm candy like this that we have to show you. And finally, while you're on our website, don't forget to have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. We love to see what arm candy you guys have for us, so have a read through the selling process on there and we'll see you later with some more arm candy.